Affiliate marketing and how does it work for beginners. In this method, we're going to use a free traffic source. This is going to be a free method. It's not going to cost you anything to get started. If you're a new affiliate marketer and you have the money to get started, this is the video for you. We're going to use Twitter. Nobody uses Twitter. Twitter, everybody thinks, is not something you can make money with. I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing with Twitter. Oh, and with this method, you're going to make $100 a day, more than $100 a day. I guarantee if you do what I'm telling you to do and you follow through, you're going to make $100 a day or more. You don't need a website with this method, but you definitely need a product to promote. So we're going to use Digistore24. Digistore24 is a platform, something like ClickBank, if you ever heard of ClickBank. But this is, they're new to the United States. They're the #1 largest affiliate network in Europe, and they're new to the United States, so there's less competition. So we're going to use Digistore24, and we're going to use Twitter. Oh, if you want to know the #1 reason why you're not going to make any money online, the #1 reason why you're not going to make money online, stick to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you the #1 reason why. Even after this method, knowing this method works, even after, you're not going to make any money online. Stick to the end if you want to find out why. Here we are in Digistore24. Okay, this is the main page. Over here on this side, you got all of the niches. Okay, if you want to come up here and register, it's very simple, and you can do this in any country. But you're going to pick any niche, and you're going to find an offer. I picked an offer already. We're going to go with I went to the green products niche over here, and we came up and we found solar panels. Backyard Revolution. Okay, it's a micro niche. It's a survival niche, right? But you're going to make $37 or $38 a sale. Okay, you're going to make $38 a sale. They have an affiliate support page. So affiliate support page, they're going to have all kinds of stuff for you. Graphics, pictures, email swipes, copy, so you can make ads, all kinds of stuff like that. And that's on the affiliate support page. And the sales page is where you're going to be sending them. You're going to get an affiliate link, which is a unique link that when people click the link and they get sent to the sales page, you're going to get credit for the sale. Okay, now if you look down here, they're saying the cart conversion rate. For cart conversion is when they go to their cart, when you shop, the shopping cart. So they're saying 10% conversion rate. So 10% of the people you send to their sales page are going to buy. So for every 10 people you send, you're going to make a sale. Okay, so let's check out. We're going to go now over to Twitter. People use Twitter. They're on the home page. Okay, mistake. You're going to come over to the Explorer page. Come up to the search bar and build my own solar panels. Okay, now you got all of these people here. Okay, they want to know all about how can I build my solar panels? How can I build solar panels? I'm trying to build solar panels. How can I build solar panels? So, it's a very popular niche. There's a lot of people here. So you just have to make a post saying, hey, listen, I built my own solar panels. This is where I went to get the stuff. It's very easy. They had all, and you go to the sales page, you see what they have, you see what they're selling, and you tell the guy it was easy. I did this, and they have everything you need, and they ship it to you. Whatever they say on the sales page, and of course, whatever niche you're in, you're gonna have to figure that out. Okay, but you just keep scrolling down. Now, 30 people a day, you're gonna make 3 sales. Okay, now if you make 3 sales a day, that's $40 a sale. It's $120 a day. Okay, but all you're doing is sending 30 people a day to this site. 30 people a day. Can you do that? Okay, now that's free. Now it takes a lot of work. You're going to be contacting people and sending messages to people on Twitter. So it's very time consuming. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing after you've made a couple of dollars and you want to learn how you can, you're going to need some software, you're going to need a landing page, you're going to need to build an email list. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you're interested. There's a course in the description on affiliate marketing. There's a 14-day free trial for software that you need. But watch more of my videos if you're interested in more depth affiliate marketing. This is a very simple way. Now, affiliate marketing is basically just selling other people's products and getting a commission. And this is how you do it. This is you in the trenches, getting your feet wet, contacting people. Like I said, you contact 30 people. If you can contact 100 people, then you're making more money, right? So, I mean, that's all. It's a numbers game when it's affiliate marketing. When they turn around and tell you that they're converting at 10%, then they're getting one sale for every 10 people that you send there, okay? And that's a numbers game, and they're giving you a 75% commission over here. All right, I told you that I would tell you the number one reason why you're not going to make money online, even after watching the video, and you saw free method with Twitter, easy enough method, free traffic method. Why aren't you going to make money online? You want to know the reason why you're not going to make money online? Lack of action. Okay, you watched the video. You probably watched a couple of videos. You're not done. You probably watch another one after this. Matter of fact, the next one coming up is somewhere over here. Watch it. It's going to be just for you. They picked it just for you. But lack of action. You're not going to take action. You're not going to do what I just told you to do, even though you saw it's a numbers game. All you got to do is take action. Get 30 people to go to that site. Make 3 sales, $100 a day, easy peasy. Get going. What are you waiting for? You know what? You're not going to do it. Prove me wrong. Leave a comment in the description. Tell me that you did it. Like and subscribe to the channel. That's enough. It was a quick video. I just wanted to show you it's a free method, and anybody can get started in affiliate marketing. It doesn't take any brains, and it doesn't take any special skills that you can't learn. Okay, but subscribe to my channel so I can teach them to you. Okay.